I'm going to show you everything that I did get from the Dollar Tree. These were the baskets that I got from Walmart last year that were, I think they were like $10, but they were 75% off or 90, I can't remember. And these are the ones that I'm going to be using. I know that they have these at the Dollar Tree, these little plastic ones, and they have tons more, but I'm going to go ahead and decorate their Easter baskets with this one, and they'll probably go Easter egg hunting with these, so they can have one for their actual like treats and their little trinkets that I'm going to put in there for them. So these are the baskets, and then I purchased some of the Easter grass. I have some left over from last year that I'm going to reuse. I did purchase these little stuffers, basket stuffers at the Dollar Tree. So I have these two I'm going to put in each basket. I purchased two of the little kites that they had there. I purchased these little eggs that I'm going to put in there. I'm probably going to do two a piece. I'll probably either put, I'm not sure if I'm going to do candy or kind of like, I know they like the little surprise eggs, so I might put a little something in there for them. I did pick up the Play-Doh that they had there, and it comes with 4, so I'm going to put 2 in each basket. I picked up these little sun catchers where they can paint. I got the Spider-Man one and the Beauty and the Beast. I got some of these sour straws that they love. I picked up these bunny with gumballs. I got a green one and a blue one. I picked up these little glow balls. It says they last for hours. So I got a green one and a blue one. I also picked up these jumbo playing cards. I got the princess for my little girl and the PJ Mask for my little boy. I also picked up these Whack-A-Packs. I know the kids are into these. My little one likes to step on them. So it comes with 4, so I'm going to put 2 in each basket. I also picked up this little spiral art. Sure, I know you can draw with a pencil, and it has like the little stencils to have different designs and stuff. So one for that basket, and then I did pick up this Say It, Don't Spray It. I know it's like one popular game recently. Figured they could have fun doing that with their cousins. I did pick up one of these little Easter egg chocolates, and then the M&M minis. I also got the ring pops, tongue painters. They love these. Got tamales, Reese's. My little one loves these beef and cheese, like beef sticks, little snack pack. And I got this for my little girl, little prayer bear, and this one for my little boy. It's a little duck. And I also did pick this up at Walmart. It was in the dollar clearance section. She's into lip glosses right now, so I ended up just getting her this lip balm for her little Easter basket. Okay, So that's all I got. Okay, so I'm gonna do my daughter's first. So I'm gonna get the blue Easter grass. And this, I don't remember if I purchased this from the Dollar Tree. I thought I did, but I saw that it has 50 cents up here. So maybe Walmart or something. Anyways. So I'm just gonna, of course. Since her favorite color is blue, I'm gonna stuff her basket with the blue grass. So I'm gonna give her this one, but let's see. Playing cards. She's like all into the Minions right now too. She loves the Minions. So cute. Put the pops in here. Let's see if they'll fit. Look at that. It's perfect. Just in here. And I try to get them stuff that they like. I'm sorry, I guess I had to restart the video because I ran out of memory. Anyway, so I ended up putting the ring pops inside these little bunny rabbit eggs. So cute. So I tried to get them stuff that they smell so good, that they actually play with instead of just junk that's gonna end up on the floor. And they love Play-Doh, candy, of course. These little, forgot what they're called, pop Whack-A-Packs. They like these. M&Ms, bubbles. We normally have friends over. Well, yeah, some friends, some family. I think hers is pretty much done. I'm gonna put a little bit of this green. And then just to flip it up at the bottom. These little rabbits are the cutest ever. Oh my goodness. Like, I'm obsessed with these. Okay, so hers is pretty much done. So cute. Okay, now I'm gonna move on to my little one, my little boy. still has stuff in there from last year, but
Well,
I guess we'll do green and yellow on his. You can probably hear them in the background playing with their baby sister. So I have the kite. Okay. My little boy on it, he actually has a birthday party coming up too, so I try not to get him too many things just because I know he's, you know, gonna get some stuff for his birthday party. I know she likes chocolate, so we'll put likes this. My little one woke up, so I had to go grab her. But I'm pretty much done. I normally give them their Easter baskets that morning of Easter. So they're not going to see them until Easter, but and these I'll probably give them a few, and I might make a couple of little eggs. I do have some plastic eggs. I can probably put them in the day of Easter to have them in here so they can snack on those, but that's it. So I ended up getting all their stuff from the Dollar Tree. Like I said, I try not to spend too much because I have a newborn and I have an older one, but he doesn't like Easter baskets anymore. So, like I said, I only bought stuff from the Dollar Tree, and I literally, these 2 baskets I did for about $20, I want to say, if anything under $20, but I think they're cute. If you like videos like this, please give me a big thumbs up, and please subscribe. My little boy said please subscribe. Okay, thank you. And if you like videos like this, like I said, give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel, and you will see more of, of this craziness. Thanks. Have a good day.